Corn has exploded higher plus 6.96% to $484.25, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Thursday, July 23rd, and this is your complete global market briefing. It is a split session across global markets. Traders are reacting to news that Wall Street indexes fall, with Iran and earnings season in focus. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is broadly flat at $7,498.96, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500, NASDAQ close lower as investors await technology earnings. NASDAQ 100 is trading lower by minus 0.54%, at $28,998. Investor sentiment is being shaped by SEC's purse warns some DeFi vaults, on-chain lending may fall under securities laws. Dow Jones is broadly flat at $52,219, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500, NASDAQ close lower as investors await technology earnings. DAX is up plus 1.24%, trading at €25,155. Traders are reacting to news that Wall Street indexes fall, with Iran and earnings season in focus. FTSE 100 is up plus 1.24%, trading at £10,717. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. LVMH is down minus 2.64%, trading at €474. Investor sentiment is being shaped by China sales hold up as European luxury brands warn of Iran war impact, South China Morning Post. Chinese luxury demand recovery is the dominant catalyst. Any positive signal from China consumer confidence data or Hong Kong retail sales would directly re-rate the stock. Ultra-high net worth demand is more resilient than aspirational luxury. Meta dropped sharply minus 2.58% to $627.17. Equity markets are responding to reports that ahead of earnings, is Meta stock a buy, a sell, or fairly valued? Morningstar. WhatsApp monetization is the next major revenue unlock, still largely untapped outside of India's business messaging push. AI infrastructure spending is heavy, but the ROI is visible in ad performance metrics. Any positive user growth data from emerging markets would be a catalyst. Northrop Grumman climbed plus 2.54% to $525.28. Equity markets are responding to reports that Northrop Grumman earnings, why NOC stock is down after the beat. Barron's. Government IT and classified programs provide stable base earnings that are often underappreciated. The next intercontinental ballistic missile contract is a potential large upside catalyst. Watch for any DoD budget line item commentary on space programs. BHP is up plus 2.52%, trading at $59.76. Investor sentiment is being shaped by China is taking on mining giants to reorder a $190 billion market, mining.com. China property market stabilization is the single biggest catalyst for iron ore, and hence BHP near-term earnings. Any positive PMI or construction data from China would move the stock. The copper growth story is intact regardless. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. Traders are reacting to news that Wall Street indexes fall, with Iran and earnings season in focus. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500, NASDAQ close lower as investors await technology earnings. Turning to commodities. Brent crude surged to $93.88 per barrel, up 3.15% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that stock market today, Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ slip as oil prices rise, Alphabet and Tesla earnings loom. Yahoo Finance. WTI crude climbed to $86.48 per barrel, up 1.85% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that stock market today, Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ slip as oil prices rise, Alphabet and Tesla earnings loom, Yahoo Finance. Natural gas climbed to $2.94, up 2.62% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that Wall Street indexes fall, with Iran and earnings season in focus. Gold climbed to $4,135 per troy ounce, up 1.57% on the session. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that rising economic fears weakening inflation's stranglehold on gold prices, Crude, Kitco. Let us give you our near-term view on corn. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the $513.31 level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical, always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.14, losing 0.08% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, losing 0.4% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 163.19, gaining 0% on the day. The move in the dollar reflects reports that RBI intervenes to support rupee as currency nears record low in USD. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Every morning, before markets open, we break down exactly what is moving and why. If you want that edge every day, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If today's analysis was useful, a like is the best way to support the channel. We genuinely appreciate every single one. We read every comment. Drop your view below. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.